premiumbeat.com. premiumbeat.com.
Hello everybody, it's April and I'm back with another video. I'm back actually, yes, this is a makeup video and it was more dedicated to the eyes. I had a request for a step-by-step eyeshadow eye makeup tutorial, so I did that. I did do my face and did my foundation and everything, but more so this video, it was just step-by-step on the eye makeup. I already said that. Okay, so anyway, welcome back to my channel. To follow will be the step-by-step video of this look. I really wanted to create a look using my new, old to you, new to me, my new Tale as Old as Time, the Beauty and the Beast palette by, hold on. I already know the name of this. Lorac. What is wrong with me? I had a brain fart that time. Okay, this is by Lorac. It's made like a book. It's a really nice palette. I love, love, love the packaging. It has a really pretty mirror right there. And the colors are really nice. They're neutral for the most part. But then you got, your blue in there where you can add just a little bit of color. And then you have your black where you can do a nice smoky eye. But for the most part, it's neutral. Kind of neutral, but it's a really nice palette. You can get a lot of looks out of this palette. I caught it on sale, of course, at Nordstrom's. It was like $20 or something like that, and I know that this palette, when it first came out, was really expensive by Lorac. And these shadows blend very well, if you can tell right up in there. Also, if you can tell by the nose, tried to contour it a little bit better. I used It's My Ray Ray palette. This went on sale. This palette is normally $20-some, and they sent out an email and it was $10 off. So it was like $13, and I've been eyeing it and looking at it, and I just didn't want to pay $20 for it. So I waited, and of course, good things come to those who wait. So I ended up catching it at the discounted price, and it's an eyeshadow palette as well. Let me show you that. So it's not just the contouring, it's the eyeshadow and highlight and contouring palette. So it's really nice. I did a look with these two palettes about 3 days ago, but for some reason I recorded the whole thing with my phone, and for some reason the phone, I don't know, the format that I did it in is just not transferring over to my laptop so I can edit it, and I tried to edit it on the phone and it just wasn't acting right. So I had to trash all of that work. I have a couple of pictures. I can post a picture of the look that I created in this video, but all of that work that I did, it just went to waste because something went wrong with the format of the video. So I don't know what that was all about, but nonetheless, technical difficulties happen sometimes. So I had to come back in and get the palette and create something else. Now the way I work is kind of difficult for me to remember step by step, because when I sit down with my palettes, it's how I'm feeling that day. Depends on what look I'm gonna come up with, so I don't always duplicate it to a T. Now if I did something, if I go back and look at something that I you know, but I just decided to do something totally different because I'm feeling different today. So anyway, I'm not going to talk any longer. I've talked long enough. I just want you guys to check out this step-by-step look of the eyeshadow look that I did with my Beauty and the Beast palette. If this is your first time to my channel, please do not hesitate to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload something new. That's about it for tonight. It's late, I'm tired, and I'm gonna get some rest. But I thank you guys for tuning in, and please don't hesitate to post any questions, any comments, anything below, and I'll get back with you as soon as I can. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.